Which animal can build a home in the trees using just its beak and feet? Can you guess which one? Let's find out together. Look! Here comes a bright red robin. The robin finds twigs, grass, and even soft feathers. She carefully weaves them together to make a round, comfy nest in a tree. Now, here is a blue and yellow bird called a blue jay. The blue jay likes to use sticks, leaves, and even pieces of string to build a strong nest high up in the branches. Let's watch a tiny hummingbird. She makes her small nest with spider webs and tiny leaves. It's just the right size for her little eggs. Here comes a big brown eagle. The eagle uses big sticks and soft moss to make a giant nest way up high. It's called an eyrie. Last, meet a friendly sparrow. The sparrow picks up grass, leaves, and even bits of paper to make a cozy home close to the ground. Did you guess the animal that builds a home in the trees? It's the bird. Birds are amazing builders. They use their beaks and feet to make safe, warm nests for their eggs and babies. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.